We are EvaBuild, predominantly a civil engineering and groundworks company, working in multiple sectors such as education, NHS and healthcare such as this one, and the MOD. We're currently in our 10th year of trading. Currently we've got Jez, who's on a civil engineering apprenticeship, and we've got Tom, who's also doing his civil engineering qualifications. We're looking to expand on that into multiple different disciplines. With more work locally, we'd be able to offer groundwork apprenticeships to 16 and 17-year-olds because they wouldn't be having to work away. We could offer HR apprenticeships, surveying, bricklaying, so the list goes on.
I chose the apprenticeship route because you can earn money while learning. That's the main factor.
I chose EvaBuild because it's a local company and it's an ever-growing company as well. So I want to be a part of that in the future.
Whilst working at EvaBuild, I learn from experienced members of staff such as the operations director or project managers. They have multiple years of experience combined in this sector.
At college, I'm studying a level 3 extended diploma in construction in the built environment.
In Newtown College, I do an apprentice civil engineering course. This allows me to become a civil engineer, project manager, estimator, setting out engineer, the list goes on.
Before joining EvaBuild, I did some research around the local companies around the area to see what the different companies were like, and I chose EvaBuild because I knew it was a good company to work with and an ever-growing company as well.
So apprentices for us are great because they start at the beginning, they learn the business as they move forward, they train up how we want them to train up, they do the disciplines at college that we want them to learn, and then moving forward they'll continue to grow with the company. Using NPTC group of colleges and Newtown College to us is very important. Obviously we're a local company in Powys. A lot of the youngsters move away. It'd be nice to keep the Powys pound going and recirculating by keeping those local youngsters from Newtown College into our economy.
If you're looking to pursue an apprentice route, I'd highly advise. You can earn money while learning and gain huge amounts of experience in the industry.
Take in all the experience that you get, do everything that you want to do, get lots of research into what you want to do and just pursue it because you'll enjoy it and it'll turn out to a very good experience in the future.
And we'll give them every opportunity as we move forward. So for the likes of Jez and Tom, they stick with us. We don't just send them out to work to site to work. They'll follow me and follow what I do, or follow another project manager or managing director to make sure that they get the most out of their course. They're not just there to work, they're there to learn. It's nice to see them progress and gain the qualifications that they need to do their job.